Hello, this is Logan from KeepCreation. In this video, I will use KeepCreation USB 3.0 to Gigabit Ethernet adapter to connect my Ubuntu desktop. I also need to use another desktop. This one, Windows 7 desktop. I will use my Ubuntu desktop, and that one, my Windows 7 desktop, and then use the Apple 3 to test the network speed. Except for the Apple 3 2, I also use the speed test website to test the network speed. Firstly, let me just hook the Ethernet cable to my router directly, and let me test the network speed. Let me open the Firefox web browser. I will visit www.speedtest.net. Click Go. Here we can find the download speed is 875, upload speed is 61. Then I will connect USB 3.0 to Gigabit Ethernet to my desktop. Remember to connect the USB 3.0 to my desktop's USB 3.0 female port. Connect the network cable and then connect the USB 3.0 male port to my desktop. Then let's go to Show Applications, Settings, Network. Here we can see the connected 1000 megabits. Let's go to the speedtest.net and then click Go. From the test, we can get that the download speed almost same as my connection. Just connect the Ethernet cable to my desktop directly. Then I will use Apple 3 2 to test the network speed. Firstly, I just connect the network cable to my desktop directly without my USB 3.0 to adapter. Okay, let's go to Show Applications, Terminal. Okay, type into if. Okay, we can get that this Ubuntu desktop's IP address is 1.69, and then run another window and use Apple 3 command. I have installed Apple 3 2 in advance. Okay, we can get that the server listening on 5201, and this Ubuntu desktop's IP is 1.69. Let us go to another Windows 7 desktop. I also have installed the Apple 3 in advance. Then let us go to command, type into my Ubuntu desktop's IP is 1.69. From the command, we can get that the speed was just 949 megabits per second. Let us go to my Ubuntu desktop. Here we can also get the bit rate is 949 megabits per second. This is just from my Ethernet cable directly to my desktop. Then I will connect this cable to my Ubuntu desktop to run Apple 3 again. I just unplug my Ethernet cable and then connect the Ethernet cable to my Ethernet adapter. Connect this one to my Ubuntu desktop, the USB 3.0 port. Let me run ifconfig again. And remember that the IP address is 1.130. Then let us go to my Windows 7 desktop to run the Apple 3 command again. Let me type into apple3.exe-c 1.130. Here we can get the bandwidth is 948 megabits per second. And then let's go to my Ubuntu desktop. Here we can see the local 1.130 and the bit rate is 930 megabits per second. Okay, through this short video, we can get that no matter we're using speedtest.net online website test, or if we are using AppV3 command, we can get that the USB 3.0 to gigabit Ethernet adapter can get the network speed you need. If you couldn't get 1000 megabits per second, the item probably have some issues. That's all. Thank you.